Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to allow opening in new tab on Brave browser. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Brave browser. Then you can see many options on this page. Click on three dot at down right corner. Click on it. Then click on Settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on Action. Then click on Contacts menu option. You can see there Open Link and New Tab option on this option. Finally guys, in this way you can easily allow to open link in new tab on Brave browser.